What is one of the biggest nightmares of pilgrims preparing for Camino de Santiago? Yeah, you guessed, overpacking. And another of common and painful mistakes is not buying or simply forgetting to take all the equipment with you. But fear not, guys, because we have you sorted. We going for Camino de Santiago for 3 months and we have all the packing here. But we follow our list that includes clothes, accessories, toiletries, footwear and all of these. But it's not the normal guide we're gonna show you because we make a special competition of Erica packing list and my packing list, and whoever wins will get an extra free day of massage in Finisterre. Did I just say that? Oops. Stick till the end. First, a backpack. What do we have at the backpack list, guys? The backpack is essential because this is what it is. The Camino is all about walking with the backpack. Of course, you can send it from place to place, but better prepare good so you don't have to send it anywhere. That's the main one, guys, because if you don't have a hip belt on your backpack, you're not gonna get anywhere. It takes 60% of your body weight and puts it not on the shoulder, but rather on the hips. So the second part of our list is
inner engineering.
Inner engineering, that's how we called packing inside of the backpack. For that reason, we use dry bags, which are water resistant and they can expel the air. So what would you do? You would pack the things inside and then expel the air, and you're gonna find yourself with absolutely no volume clothes. Stick till the end. We're gonna put everything what's here on my part to the dry bag and you will see the results. By the way, if you have a dirty bag, dirty clothes, stinky socks, you can also put it in one of them, close them well, and no one gonna suffer or die. And as you probably can imagine, you can download this list from our description and simply prepare. But first of all, subscribe to our channel because our subscribers are beautiful and lovely people with a lot of sense of humor.
Clothes.
So the clothes is easy. You just take the change, and depending of how comfortable you feel, one change or two change. I'm the one change guy and Erica is
Two change girl.
two change girl. Erica, would you like to show us what clothes you're taking with you?
Yes, I'm wearing these long trousers on the cold days and these shorts on the warm days.
Is any particular clothing, any extra hiking stuff, or just...
No, I'm just using what I have in the house. I didn't have hiking trousers and I didn't get one. And I have my pyjama.
And she has a pyjama. So guys, mainly the first rule is fast drying clothes. This is the first rule. And the second, if you don't need stuff, don't buy them. Don't buy them, not necessary.
Then I have my shirts. I have one long sleeves, thermic for the cold days. And then I have two shirts like this, quick drying.
Quick drying.
Yeah.
Wow.
Because the shirts will be the ones that I will wash
Every day.
many times.
Every day.
See, yes.
We just planned the first of the Caminos, Portuguese. We started Portuguese, it's 23 days. So you're gonna wash 23 times your shirts, t-shirts. Anything else, Erica?
Yes, I'm taking two bras, sport bra, and 3 pair of underwear, quick drying underwear.
Okay, sounds like not too heavy, eh?
No.
Okay.
What about you?
What about me, guys? If you've seen our videos, you always see me in the same stuff because I'm a guy of the same stuff.
Simple guy.
Simple guy. So I'm gonna start with my underwear. Fast drying underwear. I take 3, 1 on me and 2 extra. As well, I go for shirts and t-shirts. I prefer the long sleeve because it keeps me away from burning. I don't want to look like a lobster, no? But you love me anyway, no?
Yes.
Anyway, so I prefer the long sleeves, although for the hot days, I'm gonna take one which is also a short sleeve. All of these, actually nearly all, are made of merino wool. And I also have a little bit of pyjama. This is like a Ricky's Forever t-shirt. I have it since 2 years, guys, and it's still the merino wool pyjama thing. For my pyjama and my second trousers, I'm gonna use a tracksuit trousers, which I got in India, but you can get them anywhere. Just a light, fast drying thing.
And what about the hiking trousers? Are you not taking any?
I'm gonna go with as a sumo thing. No, no. I have a hiking trousers, so this is the idea, guys. I take 1 trousers, which obviously I'm not gonna wash every day, but they're fast drying as well. Then when I'm gonna get to albergue, I will change them. For these ones, I'm gonna put these and I should be fine. And another part of equipment for the cold weather, obviously, it's a polar jacket. And if you're really cold, you can get a down jacket too.
Leather.
And it is actually a beautiful thing because you can squeeze it in this little pouch, and if it's not cold, you can use it as a pillow. So 2 in 1.
Yeah.
But this is for cold days only. Footwear. I'm gonna start with one of the most important piece of equipment, socks.
I have 3 pair of socks, hiking socks. Not merino wool, but good enough.
The option is, or you have merino wool or hiking, or merino hiking. I have also 3 pairs of socks. The only 3 pairs equipment that I have is socks and underwear. The rest is only 1 change. Then we're getting to the albergue. In albergue, we change the shoes for flip-flops. You can use the Crocs, we love Crocs, but you have to be mature enough and not take any offense from people telling you that you like a doctor or like a father on the holidays. But anyway, we love Crocs. They're quite bulky, that's why we've chosen and opted for the flip-flops.
And what about rain? Ricky? Oh, Ricky. Ricky? What are you doing?
Hey, I'm just checking if my gear is actually waterproof.
Is it?
And you know what? It seems kind of okay. So if you want to take with you the rain jacket, I think it can be some help for you. Also, you can consider a poncho because poncho is also a nice and it's more blocky. It's gonna give you a more of coverage. And if you accidentally get wet, don't forget to take a towel with you. Yeah, I think my water rain gear works. Okay, and the next thing on our list are the toiletries. And we decided to make a small competition in a competition. Let's see who has more toiletries. Should I start?
You start.
Antiperspirant. The one you put, the roll.
Deodorant.
Deodorant.
Concentrated hair and body wash.
So you don't use this?
I use yours.
I use mine.
Yes.
So it should be on your side, no?
We share, but you carry it. We share, but you carry it. Consider sharing the weight if you're going with friends or...
Toothpaste.
Sunscreen. And I use yours.
Okay, I use a bit of yours as well.
Okay.
Okay, this was we share. Then I have a soap for washing clothes. Because you have to wash your clothes.
And your body?
I use this.
But face cream.
Maybe a toothbrush.
Toothbrush.
Nail clipper.
I use yours. Hair oil.
And a spoon for a tongue cleaning Indian Ayurvedic stuff.
Air gel. Air mask. Intimate soap. All put in small bottles. These are not the original bottles. Oil for my foot massage. Lip balm.
This is all.
Yeah.
So as you can see, there's a bit of a difference of points of views about toiletries. The most important thing probably would be a blister plasters. Take few. And the Vaseline if you want to take care of your feet. As you know, always a bit of a Vaseline in the beginning of the walk could be a good idea. But you can get it at any shop. Pretty much all of the Caminos pass next to the big cities and villages, and they have the pharmacies which you can get absolutely anything from. Don't carry too much.
Yeah.
You'll be good, you'll be fine. We tell you that. Caminotellers tells you you'll be fine. Motivation 100%. Yeah!
Another piece of a first aid kit is my ball to massage my foot at the end of the day, to massage my back where I have tension. Yeah.
And if we're talking about first aid kit, we have to mention the sun and the sun protection. And the best way, obviously, is to wear a hat. And the hat sometimes comes with a special cover that covers your head as well as your neck. You can also get a bigger hat, but you must have it. Yes? Oh yes. Fear not, the most important part of equipment would be this little universal travel adapter piece. Don't buy a travel adapter because it's bulky. It serves for Japan, Australia, and God knows where. These little parts you can stick, and actually from US, as you can see, you can stick on the top of your charger, which you obviously will have to take with you. And the charger also always goes with a wire to attach to any of your devices, phone, GoPro, or whatever you have. We also take with us our Kindles because we like to read and we like to note. My Kindle actually is a writing thing, so I can make the notes on it. And by the way, have you downloaded our book?
I hope they did.
I hope you did. If you don't, there is a description with the free sample. If you don't know what is our book about, that's
The ultimate Camino de Santiago guide. Answers to all your burning questions.
the best part of it is that you can get it on any device you want. And now the Sweet Night Kit, we made a special chapter for that because we think it's paramount. Erica, Erica. Anyway, she puts it at home. She doesn't have to go to the Camino. She just doesn't want to listen to me. And you know, I don't want to see you neither.
What?
So this is important stuff because you never know when you're going to be in albergue and someone going to make a proper symphony of snoring or waking up 3 o'clock in the morning when you want to have a day of rest.
Extra gear.
Extra gear. Okay, so let's start with the extra gear. Oh, you need a headlamp. This is the piece of equipment that you probably will need forever. And have idea that there are two lights. There the red light and the white. And the red light, if you're gonna use, you're not gonna blind anyone. Okay, this is the washing tongue. Okay, washing tongue, or maybe not. Comment down below what is the name of this thing, because there are so many things that we don't know. But you will need few of them, because sometimes you need to clip your stuff which you washed previously. Okay?
On your backpack while you're walking.
Could be.
Yeah, because it's not dry yet.
Okay.
Then as an extra, I'm taking my diary, my journal. So every day I can write down what I'm grateful for, a nice conversation I had, the landscape I saw, the people I met, the food I ate.
So it means that we're gonna pack it all and then we're gonna see who won the competition. I told you guys that the dry bag is some kind of a magical thing. So I put everything inside because this I'm gonna wear, and now the magic happens. Let's see. Let's see. Erica. Four kilo and 6. Now it's my turn, guys. The last days of massage in Finisterre sounds like a good plan and I want to win it. So let's see.
But you don't have your guitar.
I won! Massage. What? Okay, let's do it again, but with the guitar. Come on, I'm ready. Okay, I forgot to take my guitar. Okay? Yeah, now I lost. This was our packing, guys, and I lost. Okay, guys, long story short, this was our complete packing list for Camino de Santiago. Bear in mind that you can get this list. The only thing, subscribe. The packing list is in the description below. And if you really like what we do, and if you want to meet us on the way, consider to being a member. And you know what? Members will get our free ultimate Camino de Santiago guide for free. Woohoo!